This time round tunafanya kazi kwa mpango. Tunafanya kazi kwa mpango. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm setting this camera here. I really don't know who I'm gonna use this. Yeah, tembo.
Yoma yako niwekea mwisho hapo. Naipanga pale mwisho. Wewe usijali, wewe angusha maji. Angusha tena, lakini usiangushe mbali, usiangushe pale kwa ngeti. Bora tu hapa area. Haya. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mwisho. Nataka kumalizana na hizi laini kwanza. Ndio huko. Koroti. Ya. Ya. Sasa wakati ni mrenga chini. Kuna kibara. Mzee wa kazi. Huyu abatishi. Kuna kibara.
So guys, today this is where I decided to work, because you know guys, we are in the village and there's no work, so you need to do anything you need to do so that at least you get something for the day, because without this I can't upload my videos, man. So I need to look for a way. So that's it. Yeah. My goodness, I'm changing the position. Okay, I think this will be okay. This will be fine, right?
Tena nauliza. Mawe. Aya, kuja tuachie huku jamani. Sio hii. Niaje?
Yo. So guys, today I'm at this place here, and I have been working tirelessly bringing these stones from the road here, and the gates can just open. So these stones were here, and these are the remainders of the stones that have remained that we will be finishing tomorrow. Others we have just finished from there. So guys, I'm at this side of this place called Getono. So I decided to come and work. At least today I will be the watchman of this place. So I'll be here. I will sleep here. The owner is not here. So I will be taking care of this place. Yeah, and I've done. Yeah, so I've locked. Very nice gates. There's some houses here, and I will be sleeping here. Let me take you to my kitchen. So today I will be cooking from here, from this place here. So that's what I've just found me. So yeah. So guys, I found a new job, and guys, today, since yesterday I have been here, and today we are doing this. This is what we are doing here. So today I just found myself in this place. This is what we are doing. We are trying to dig and make pillars of the house. So I'll be working here all the day, and this will be my routine. You know guys, finding the work in the village is so difficult. So once you get an opportunity, you just work. So today we are working here, and this is what we are doing.
Kuranga mzidi kurabona mziro
Our
sauti atu awade na huko mpaka America amonjwa
ile sasa kumbika
mtetini huko peka
mtandao
Hello ni len ya be ni len
ai kia hata bige kiende kole hapo usije kule mbuga tuko ndo
ni Somalia yenga yere ndi
nani Somali Somali no
Igora ndo kole kasi bona dia sibamle ya ndo kole kasi ya
nanye kunasa yetu
airushie vita maino
kumba kana gerata ani bagukombwa to bwate to chiru guys, the job is really on. I already finished what I was doing, and other guys are still continuing, but for me, I've done my job. Yeah. Yeah? We gotta. Hey!
Niwanza. Dina wada ni singiona kwa ngaka yoka yoka ni wada ko igu.
Ebi kokorua.
So mine is this. So guys, this is what we have been doing the whole day for today, and I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you for watching this video to this end. I want to end it from here, so I will update you on the next day what we are doing. So stay tuned and kindly continue supporting live with Makori. Road to 3,000 subscribers. Peace. See you on the next video. So this is my second day at work. So guys, I got a job.